Are you looking for the best toaster ovens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best toaster ovens that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Oster Large Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. The Oster Convection Countertop Toaster is made of stainless steel, so it will look good on any countertop. It has a large, see-through window to easily check your food and has a large cooking area as well. There are preset cooking functions to make it easier to cook different kinds of food. It has large knobs so you can easily and precisely control cooking temperature and time. It has a sleek design, easy to clean and maintain. The Oster Convection Countertop Oven Toaster is a sleek countertop model with larger cooking space, efficient controls, easy-to-see oven window and easy-to-clean design. This makes a perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. The Black Plus Decker Convection Oven Toaster has a heating fan that helps warm air circulate inside the cooking chamber. This way, you'll be able to cook faster and more evenly. It comes with 2 rack positions so you can cook all kinds of food flexibly. It has a precision control knob and preset cooking functions to bake, broil, bagel, toast, frozen snacks, potatoes, cookies, and pizza. It is an expanded oven toaster that can also accommodate a 12 inches pizza and up to 6 slices of bread. It is also easy to maintain because of its removable crumb tray. The Black Plus Decker Convection Oven lets you cook all kinds of food precisely, more efficiently and faster. It is a spacious oven and is easy to clean and maintain as well. It's a perfect addition to your kitchen or your office pantry. Number 3. Cuisinart TOB260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. One of the most spacious oven toasters is Cuisinart TOB260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. This oven is spacious with a 0.9 cubic foot capacity that will fit a 13 inches pizza and a 9 inches by 13 inches baking pan. It has 15 cooking functions for you like dual cooking and speeds convection style. The digital controls will let you operate the oven easily. It has a large blue backlit LED display to let you check the status of your food. If you want a spacious oven toaster that will bake even a large 13 inches pizza or a medium-sized baking pan, then you should get the Cuisinart TOB260N1. This is a convection oven toaster that is made from durable stainless steel with many functions that will truly make cooking in an oven toaster more efficient. Truly, the name toaster is very much underrated with this Cuisinart model. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach 31123D has a unique oven toaster design. It has easy access roll top door that will let you reach for your food without hurting your hands. You will find this very easy to clean because it can be opened wide enough to reach the back. It is a convection oven as well, so you can bake, broil and toast all kinds of food. Because of its curved back design, it can toast 6 slices of bread and even a 12 inches pizza. The control knobs are easy to use and are safer compared to digital controls. The Hamilton Beach 31123D is a large convection oven that will cook foods in a variety of ways. The oven interior is easy to access, is easy to use and easy to clean. This may be the toaster oven you need for your home or office pantry. Number 1. Panasonic NBG110PK FlashXpress Compact Toaster Oven. The Panasonic NBG110PK oven toaster is designed with double infrared heating features. You will be able to cook all kinds of food for perfection because of its high-efficiency quartz and ceramic heating to achieve temperatures of 250 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and to cook faster. It also comes with the FlashXpress instant heating technology that will let you cook all kinds of food fast. This oven toaster has 6 convenient preset modes so you can easily prepare different kinds of food with one touch of a button. You can also monitor the readiness of your food with the bright digital timer controls. It also comes with interior oven light, a removable tray and a compact design that's easy to clean. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.